So now we will talk about the trellis chart. Trellis chart, it creates a grid in which separate chart is created for each of distinct values of the first dimension. So it applies for all types of chart except straight table and pivot table. So it will not run on the tables, straight or pivot table. And your first dimension will act the role of splitting the charts into separate ones. So if we take this exercise, we want to analyze per category the net sales for each city. Okay, let's assume here we want to have a line chart, and also, or we can have it a bar chart like this one. It is a bar chart. I want the city and the category. So the first dimension is the city. Then we will end up by having a separate chart for each city. For example, for Beirut, we have a chart. For Bekaa, we have another one, mountain, another one, and the north, another one. Okay, so as you see here, result will be shown as a grid, a separate chart for each city. And within this city, we have the net sale per category. So because here I'm doing two dimensions, the city and the category. The first one will create a separate chart for each city. To do it step by step, I go to the click, right click, new sheet object, chart. Which type of chart? Trellis. So I select first because I want it as a bar. This is bar chart. Next, to tell the system it is trellis chart, you have to press on trellis here. Okay, enable trellis chart. Okay, I press just on trellis chart here. Here we have to select the city as my first dimension and the category as my second dimension. Because it is trellis, defined as trellis, it will take the first dimension to separate the charts. Okay, next. And here, let's assume I want to have the sum of net sale. And then okay, and finish. So this is my trellis chart. So those the phase says for Abu Dhabi, etc. Okay, I want to drag and drop here. Okay, if you want to convert that to a horizontal, not vertical bar chart, what do? We go to the bar and we go to the style, and then I can select this one and I select this one. Also, I can go to the number, I select the integer, and on the expression, I'll tell the system values on data points. And even if you want to have in the presentation, you can tell the system that you want to show. Okay, everything is clear on the axis. Okay, I can select the grid here and there. Okay, and then apply. Okay, and okay, and this is the chart. So each separate chart for each of the cities, they are along each side in a grid format. If, for example, I just want to have Lebanon, those are for the Lebanon. Okay, so this is for Beirut, Bekaa Mountain and North, and you can do the analytics. Okay. Okay, so thank you for this one.